7 minus 4 gives us 3. And again here we have 7 minus 4. So 3 times 3 equals 9. But this answer is not correct. Because according to the order of operations, which is PEMDAS, P stands for parentheses, E stands for exponent, M and D stands for multiplication and division, and A and S stands for addition and subtraction. First we have to do parentheses, then exponent, then multiplication or division, and finally addition or subtraction. Remember that multiplication and division have equal priority and we have to work from left to right. And the same applies to addition and subtraction. In this expression, we have one subtraction, one multiplication, and one parentheses. Inside this parentheses, we have one subtraction. Here we have a multiplication because in mathematics, when a number is placed next to parentheses, it means multiplication. And we usually don't write the multiplication sign for brevity. Okay, so according to the PEMDAS, first we have to do this parentheses, then this multiplication, and finally this subtraction. If we do this subtraction before this multiplication, it is wrong. So first we have to do this parentheses. Inside this parentheses we have 7 minus 4, which equals 3. So we have 7 minus 4 then times 3. Now we have one subtraction and one multiplication. According to the PEMDAS, multiplication has higher priority than subtraction because multiplication comes before subtraction. So here first we have to do this multiplication. 4 times 3 gives us 12. So we have 7 minus 12, which equals negative 5. And this is our final answer to this problem. The correct answer is negative 5.